Welcome, guys. Even the gods had recognized its benefits, as haldi or turmeric is required in every holy puja or festival. We remember our grandmothers pressing a pinch of haldi on every wound on the head. Its active ingredient is curcumin. After listening to the benefits of eating raw haldi, you would love to add to your daily meals. It is a powerful antioxidant, anti-carcinogenic, anti-inflammatory, antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal. Turmeric helps in digestion, provides relief from a host of tummy problems. Raw turmeric helps in indigestion, heartburn, brings relief from symptoms like irritable bowel syndrome. It may also help treat stomach ulcers and irritation. Raw turmeric is packed with anti-inflammatory properties which help relieving symptoms associated with both rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis. Turmeric can also be used to treat inflammation caused due to eye infections. It is also good for skin. Using raw haldi is one of the oldest and traditional ways to cure a variety of skin ailments. It is also helpful in curing modern day skin problems due to air pollution. It is endorsed with excellent antiseptic properties as it is packed with anti inflammatory, antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. There are many health benefits of turmeric in the treatment of cancer. Curcumin has been studied widely for its effect on cancer patients. Haldi is found to be beneficial in relieving diarrhea, bloating, and abdominal pain in cancer patients. Cancer patients tend to lose a lot of weight, and curcumin therapy showed substantial weight gain in cancer patients. Curcumin plays a role in the auto-degeneration of cancer cells and thus has an important role in cancer treatment. Turmeric is good for brains as well and keeps the diseases like Alzheimer's at bay. The key issue of Alzheimer is the inflammation of the brain, and turmeric is anti-inflammatory as curcumin also improves the overall memory in patients with Alzheimer's disease. Turmeric is an excellent pain reliever when consumed with warm milk or applied as a paste on affected area. Turmeric is antithrombotic in nature and helps to prevent harmful clot formation in the body. Turmeric benefits in the treatment of atherosclerosis as it inhibits LDL oxidation and it decreases the cholesterol levels. LDL is the bad cholesterol. Turmeric can help liver detoxification and retard the effects of dangerous cancer causing elements in the body. It is a good blood purifier. Turmeric maintains blood sugar levels. Diabetics can load up on this wonder spice to monitor the sugar levels. Turmeric is known to reduce muscle pain. This is great for athletes who suffer from muscle soreness. Turmeric reduces acne and pimples due to its antimicrobial properties. So, guys, give it a try and enjoy a beautiful disease free life ahead. Watch till end for the uses of pickle. Thanks for watching. Please share with the whole world and help them get over the pandemic. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do and encourage me to bring more helpful videos. Thank you.